To add or edit an official status or task to your sales process, go into your Config tab and select Status and Tasks from the drop-down menu. Here you can review and edit your team's entire sales process. A status is where a person is within your sales process, such as not yet contacted or waiting for contract signature. A task is an action you can take to advance a person through your sales process, such as send first contact email or send contract for signature. For a one-off, non-standard task or a task not intended to be connected with a specific individual contact, please refer to the section on additional tasks. You can have up to 6 different statuses and up to 6 tasks for each status. Feel free to leave fields blank if you don't need them, and always remember to click the button to save your changes.